responsibility doesn't stop once the extruders or compounding systems are up and running. In fact, that's just the beginning. At Coperion, we see ourselves as a long-term partner. Our service approach is all about ensuring that your system operates reliably and efficiently for years to come. We work to minimize the risk of failures and keep your production performance constantly high. We offer customized service agreements designed to meet the specific needs of each customer. These agreements include scheduled inspections, preventive maintenance, and a host of other proactive measures like our new condition monitoring system, VibeTrack. The idea is to plan everything well in advance so your system is always in top condition with minimal downtime and a significantly reduced risk of unexpected damage. Our service agreements have a modular structure, meaning they can be tailored to fit everything from small lab extruder to a full polyolefin plant. While our focus is on twin extruders, we can also include other components like feeders or auxiliary equipment into our service package. You choose what you need and we build the plan around. Whether you are operating a lab scale extruder or a large compounding line, we are here to make sure your investment delivers lasting value. We support you with our worldwide service network with a wide range of predictive maintenance services, remote services, the smart digital platform Coperion, and much more. We are looking forward to meet you at the K-Show on our booth. See you soon.